In today's class, we will be learning the topic, reproductive system in plants. Structures and functions of the reproductive organs in plants. The flower is the reproductive structure of a flowering plant. It has both male and female sex organs, hence it can carry out sexual reproduction. After fertilization has taken place in flowers, seeds are produced. A flower has two major parts. The floral part, whorls. The flower stalk, pedicel. Placentation. This is defined as the arrangement of the ovules within the ovary of a flower. The ovules are attached to the ovary by fleshy structures called placenta through short stalks called funicles. Types of placentation. Marginal placentation. Ovule are arranged at the margin of the ovaries e.g., beans, flamboyant flowers. Parietal placentation. Ovules are arranged to the side of the ovary or within a single chamber or cavity, for example, pawpaw. Free central placentation. Ovules are borne on a knob projecting from the base of the ovary, for example, water lily. Axial placentation. Carpels meet at the center to form the placenta for attachment of ovules, for example, tomatoes. Basal placentation. Ovules are attached to the base of ovule, for example, sunflower. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.